Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to transform a pair of old leggings into a stylish crop top without any sewing. It's super easy, and you probably have everything you need right at home. Let's get started. Pick a pair of leggings that you no longer wear. Make sure they fit you well when worn on the lower body for the best results. Fold in half and lay the leggings flat on a table or floor. Make sure the leggings are smooth and flat. This will help us make precise cut. Use a marker or chalk to mark where you'll cut. Now, carefully cut your leggings where you've marked. Make sure to cut through both layers, so you have an even top piece. There you have it, a simple and stylish crop top, made from old pair of leggings, and it took just a few minutes. And here's the final look. Try it on and adjust the fit depending on your preference. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your own designs in the comments below. Happy crafting! And I'll see you on my next video. Thank you so much for watching.